My name is Spano. I'm a regional sales manager for the West Coast. I started working with JENSEN in July of 2022.
How would you describe your job to someone unfamiliar with the industry?
That's always an interesting conversation when you tell somebody what you do, because you're like, well, I do laundry. So the way it's best explained is, large industrial laundries. If you happen to be in a hotel, you say, that sheet you're sleeping on, I sell the equipment that cleans or washes or irons that towel, that sheet, or that pillowcase.
Tell me more about what you did with the napkins at dinner last night.
For 30 years, it drives my wife crazy, as a matter of fact. Because one of the first things I'll do is pick the napkin up, look at the napkin, look at the quality of the napkin, smell the napkin as David and Hunter and Aaron all did, because it's just something, when you're in the industry as long as we have been, I guess it would be like if you sold forks and knives and silverware. It's part of your business, it's part of your everyday life.
When did you realize that JENSEN was the perfect fit for you?
At first I didn't, because it was new. I did the same thing for 30 years. I was operating laundries. So when I came to JENSEN, it took me a little bit of time to know that, I was probably 30 days in, and I met with a customer and had the ability to speak, the ability to sit down with a customer and have a conversation and know what I'm talking about and have him understand what I'm saying.
What are the skills that someone must have to be successful in this industry?
You have to be organized. You have to be able to communicate. Communication is key. The industry as a whole, communication is very valuable to everybody. So I would put communication up there as number one.
Do you have any noteworthy anecdotes to share?
We had a sales meeting, a sales meeting last fall where the sales team was together. We were all just sitting around a fire, laughing, joking, having a great time. It was a great environment. It was a good time to be around.